Several years ago, I had to change the rope seal in my wood-burning fireplace. And I was having a heck of a time trying to get that old seal out and all the gunk that was underneath of it. So I decided to design a power tool that would do the job. In my toolbox I just happened to find this piece of carbide. It's a round carbide piece with a hole through the center. And it's kind of dished out a little bit in the middle. And it has a fairly sharp edge. I thought this rotating in an electric drill would probably do a pretty nice job. And actually it did a fair job. I had to go over a few times, but it was sure better than scraping away by hand with the end of a screwdriver. So I decided now, since the rope seal is looking a little shaggy again, that I'm going to make another one of these, only I'm going to make it out of water hardening drill rod. This is 1/2 inch diameter, as is this, and I'm going to make it about 1/4 inch, so I'll be cutting 1/4 inch off the end of here, and I'll be dishing it out more than what this carbide piece was dished out, and I expect a really good improved performance from that. So let's go see how I did that. I'm facing off the end of that little piece that I cut off the end. It's about 1/4 inch long, and I didn't want to use my 3-jaw chuck because I know it's going to wobble in there, so I used my collet holder for a 3-jaw chuck. And if you want to make that, I'm going to put a link in the comments to how to make one of those things. Well, here's the top view of the cutting tool that we just made, and from the side it just looks like this, about 1/4 inch across from here to here. All right, we're going to harden that up now. Heat it up. Nice and red. There we go. That's actually probably too hard for anything but what we're using it for, but we're not going to have any impact on this, like pushing it against something or hitting it. It's going to just rotate and cut. Okay, the last piece of the job is to make one of these. It's about 6 inches long, and it's about 3/8 inches in diameter. And I put this hex drive on the end, but you don't have to do that. And the other end is just faced off and is drilled and tapped for the 832 screw that's going to be going through this so that this can mount on like so. If you'd like to be notified of other new modifications, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.